Alright, TNZ College. Today we have vivo. So our vivo have problem auto power on, then off, power on, then off, power on, then off. So we're going to solution. This is most common problem in oppo and vivo. So first of all, we need to open our mobile. As you see, we want to remove SIM card slot. After remove, no, lock is not respond. So we're going to open it. When you're going to pull by cover, so we're going to open. After open, so tight. After open side inside, then we're going to pull. So ready. First of all, we need to remove screws. Then you will remove battery. After remove screws, then we're going to change battery connector. So this connector to this, I'm going to remove and to connect. Pull up, and then you see positive and positive, negative and positive, same direction but different terminal. We're going to hold, then use soda and gun to remove it. It is very simple, very simple. After remove, we're going to change from this to this. Very simple trick. After changing, I'm going to test. So to put in good condition. Then we're going to test. So you can use a tissue or masking tape to protect from ground, then insert terminal for battery. After connect, connect proper to get a good answer. So we're going to power on your phone. Vivo power on. Vivo. No problem. I think it is over. Going to wait and down showing optimizing. So our phone is powered. So as you see, our phone is ready. And we're going to settings, and we testing camera. Some mobile, when you open camera, automatic power off. Testing camera. After camera, now is ready. Thank you for support. T and Z College. Subscribe to our channel to get more video. Thank you for time. Comment and don't fail to subscribe.